I'm just going to show you a video of a PoliBuild infill. So I've infilled all the rest of the nails. And I'm going to file off the top coat that I've had on the top of here. There's no lifting or anything, so I'm just literally filing all the top coat off. I'm getting rid of the glue what I had the gems on. This files off really nice as well. I'm smoothing down all the cuticle area to make that nice and flush. Removing all the dust. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my cuticle prep. Pushing back the cuticles. Just checking the sides. And I'm going to pop a little bit of prep and scrub on just to clean this nail. I scrub it in with my Plush brush. And then I'm going to apply my rubber base coat. And I'm just going to drag it down the nail a little bit. I don't need to cover the full nail, so I'm going to file most of this length off. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this has been in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've got a little bit of sheer pink on the end of my spatula. I'm going to pop that right at the top of the nail. A little bit too much there, where I want the PoliBuild to go. I'm going to dip my brush into the solution and just start moulding this out. And then make sure it's nice and flush with the cuticle. If you try and get most of your shape in there, it's going to be less filing for you afterwards. And then just pattern that around where you want it. I just need a little bit more solution because it's starting to stick. And then I'll just blend this little bit in. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp. So when this comes out the lamp, it does have a tacky layer. So I'm going to use my Halo Elite wipes and my prep and scrub. And I'm just going to spray it a little bit on there. Just rub this in. This will take off the tacky layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and file this into shape and take the length down. So I've filed all of this nail, and I'm going to squirt some prep and scrub just to get rid of the dust off the nail. I find if you use your Plush brush, it removes all the dust from inside the cuticles, and it's all ready for painting.